Now that we have our meeting scheduled, we're going to go ahead and let's say we want to run our meeting for the first time. Now, if you have not run or utilized Zoom before, or if you're on a new computer and you haven't used Zoom on the new computer, when you go to start a meeting or join a meeting, you will be prompted to download the Zoom app. To do that, just click yes on all of the prompts to allow it to download. It takes maybe 5 to 30 seconds at most. Once it does that, you can then properly join the meeting. Let's go ahead and start the meeting that we've scheduled. To do that, in my web browser format here, we can click on Meetings. We can see that I have my test meeting scheduled, and it's ready to run. Let's click Start. I am then prompted by my Chrome browser if I would like to open this in Zoom Meetings. To save yourself time, check mark that box right there, Always Allow. Click Open Zoom Meetings. It will then open the Zoom app for you automatically, and once it does that, it will connect you, and then we're ready to start getting everything done. If you need to, for instance, set up your computer audio, especially if you're on a new setup, click Test Speaker and Microphone. You can see that it's trying to send out, there it is, the audio. Just make sure you click yes, I've heard that. And then when you're trying to set up your speaker, you have the option here where it says microphone to select it. So then you can test that speaker specifically. And click yes once you've been able to hear yourself talk, and then it comes back to you. You can click Join with Computer Audio. Select Join with Computer Audio, and now we're utilizing computer audio. If I would like to start my video, I can click the Start Video function here. You can see that I am not ready for a Zoom meeting specifically today, but that's alright. We'll stop that video. And then here, by clicking on the microphone down here, you can mute that function as well, or you can also unmute it by pressing Alt-A on your keyboard. Just a handy hot function key or hotkey that you can use on that. If for any reason you need to switch between audio sources, you can click the up arrow and then choose your different microphone and speaker there. And then same thing here, if you have multiple webcams attached, you could change to a nicer, higher quality webcam instead of the integrated webcam. And you can also choose your virtual background. Using the virtual background is fairly fun. We can click that, and you can see I have no virtual background set, so I could add one in this case. I can also check out different filters here. You know, maybe I want sunglasses. We can have some fun with this, but for the most part, these are just extra things that you don't need to use, although still fun to use. We can exit that. And if you, for any reason, need to access settings, again, that up arrow, you can select video settings, and then you're given your large settings for everything. We will cover in a separate video the different specific video settings, as well as audio settings that you can utilize by accessing it from this screen here. Okay, this has been a basic introduction to Zoom and how to use it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, or if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and drop a comment or your question in the comment section below.